Meadows Bee Farm lambing. This is about a week later than we were here before. And as I said, I would introduce you to all the baby lambs, and now I'd like to. So come on in, and I'll show you around. Welcome to Lambing 2021 at Meadows Bee Farm. Here we can take a look at Tilly. This is Tilly time. She just had 2 baby lambs born in the last 15 or 20 minutes. One is already drinking from the teat. The other in the front is trying to figure out where the teat might be. Tilly has already cleaned off most of the lambs. You can see her here cleaning off her second baby. That was the second one born. And they are all up, ready to engage with Mama. Mama's there for them, and it's a really, really fun, exciting time. We'll try to figure out their gender and their weight a little bit later, but for now, we never touch the lambs. We just let them be in peace, and you can see they're bonding nicely. Next, we have, well, this is Patty here asleep, and Piglet. Sheep do like to sleep a lot, especially this is early in the morning. Here we have Blueberry. Blueberry had twin ewes. Here you can see Indigo, and here is Baby Blue. They're still asleep. They'll be up in a little bit, and we can show them jumping around. Oh, here we go. Indigo's getting up. She'll probably need to get some food from her mama. Mama's paying attention. Again, we really like them in close quarters. We find it helps them in all ways, and it helps keep us at 100% rate of lambs that successfully make it into the world. Here is Buffalo up. We've come by a couple times, but this is the first time I've seen Buffalo up. And Buffalo's mom is Bumbleberry. Buffalo's ram is Mountain, and Mountain was a giant. And we haven't weighed Buffalo yet, but I think that Buffalo may be about the biggest ram we've ever birthed here. So it's raining outside. But when the weather's nicer, we'll take all the lambs out, all the lambs that are at least 1 day old, and we'll let them play together. We do have to supervise them, but it's a very, very exciting time here at Meadows Bee Farm. So we've got one ewe left to go, and then we'll try to start integrating them back into their flock of sheep. Here on the sides, I'll just point out, these are the minerals that we allow the sheep to have as they wish. We have baking soda, which helps dispel gases, diatomaceous earth, which helps kill parasites. We have azomite, which is called the A to Z of minerals. We have kelp here, and then C90, which is a 90 mineral sea salt. So these are all given to the sheep, free choice, and they self-select and really do try to take care of themselves that way. Other than that, we have hay for them. We always have water, fresh water for them. We do give them minerals and molasses after birth. Just one more look at the new babies. And we'll let them settle in and just be at peace for a bit. We'll check back later. Thank you. Stay tuned. As we pass into the other room, we can see on the door all the newborn lambs. We try to keep a record. None of the lambs will have a number yet, but we have the number here of the dam, which is the mother, the ewe, the baby, and when they were born. It's also color-coded. The rams are in a purplish blue, and the ewes are in a bright purple, purplish pink. Here's some of the badges the children can earn. Here's Livestock 2 and Farming and Livestock 1. Okay, let's go in and see. Here we have Meringue. And Meringue had her little ram yesterday. Well, not little, but Meringue had her ram yesterday. Hi, Meringue. Our sheep are very friendly, and as many people point out, they're very quiet. Here's Black Beauty, and Black Beauty has 2 twins here. As I said, it's morning, so they're very quiet. Here is Little Star. Little Star's twins were born last week. Oh, they're making noise because they hear someone shaking. They can hear the grain being shaken in the other room for the cows. The dairy cows are being milked, and they always get a big grain. So it's going to get noisy now. They're talking. This is our last holdout, Jelly. We're expecting Jelly to have her lamb anytime. And if you look at Jelly's face, she has a dark black spots on the face, and that is because we give all the lambs molasses. So it's not soil because they're really not out in the soil right now. It is molasses. So we have had, as I said, we've had 7 births, and we have 12 lambs. We'll check back later in the day. Thank you. So welcome back to the Sheep Lounge. Now all of our ewes have lambed. We've had 13 baby lambs born. Here you see Jelly's 2 babies. Over there you can see Meringue's. In here you see Little Star and her 2 her twins. And then Black Beauty is over in the corner. I see all the lambs and the ewes have gone into different little areas, little jugs. Sometimes when the sheep first start to interact with the other sheep, they choose to be in different placements. So we have moved them all around so that they can find where they're happiest.